अनजानी सी वो है यम I've been waiting for you क्यों था मेरे ख्वाबों में ख्यालों में हमेशा हाँ तू है वही I've been searching for you तेरी निगाहें मेरा दाएं जब भी चाहे लेने जावे I've been living for you करके तेरी बाहों की पनाहों में लुटा दूं मैं ये जिंदगी Can you feel it? Music thumping, stars are shining, and we're grinding. We're moving, we're rewinding. Boy, I feel it. Damn, there's nobody like you. Damn, there's nobody like you. जिंदगी का वो सपना मेरा जो है यहाँ समा मिलेगा अब कहाँ Music thumping, stars are shining, and we grinding. When we move, when we winding, girl I feel that. And there's nobody like you. Do you really mean that?
Sweaty in this, ooh,
baby.
Ladies, let's go. Soldiers, let's go. Let me talk to y'all and just, give you a little situation. Listen. You see the get hot every time I come through. When I step up in the spot, make the place sizzle like a summertime cookout. Proud for the best chick, yes, I'm on a lookout. So banging, shorty like a belly dancer with it. Smell good, pretty skin, so gangster with it. No tricks, only diamonds under my sleeve. Give me the number, but make sure you holler before you leave.
Like me. I know you like me. I know you do. That's why whenever I come around, she's all over you. And I know you want it. I know you want it. It's easy to see. And in the back of your mind, I know you should be on with me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't you? Don't you? Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you? Don't you? Fight the feeling. Leave it alone. Cause if it ain't love, it just ain't enough to leave a happy home. Let's keep it friendly. You have to play fair. See, I don't care, but I know she ain't gon' want to share. Girlfriend was a freak like me, Don't you? Don't you, baby? Don't you? Alright, sing. Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Big fun. Don't you?
Okay, I see how it's going down.
Don't you?
Seem like shorty want a little menage to pop off or something. Let's go. Well, let me get straight to it, a broad won't watch it. When I come through, it's the God Almighty looking all brand new. And shorty wanna jump in my Aston Van Jewish, looking at me all like she really wanna do it. Try to put it on me till my black and bluish. You wanna play with a player girl and play on? Trip out the Chanel and leave the lingerie on. Watch me and I'ma watch you at the same time, looking like you won't break my back. You're the very reason why I keep a pack of the Magnum, and with the wagon hit you in the back of the Magnum. For the record, don't think it was something you did. Shorty all on me 'cause it's hard to resist the kid. I got an idea that's dope for y'all if y'all can get close, so I can hit the boat for y'all. Don't worry about it.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Like me. Don't you? Don't you, baby? Don't you? Alright, sing. Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you?
Dati siya mixed games. Kumayan ko or pain. Pagbaon ninyo ang tawo or pain ang tawo. Okay? Drink or pain. Okay, kung drink mo, mag-away na doon. Ay, drink na mo. Anana. Ano 5, 6, 7, 5 man! Hooray! Akoy, akoy! 5, 6, 7, go! Hooray!
Ikaw mag-judge.
kuan man. Ana na ni?
Ang masayop, out. Okay? Ang masayop, out. Walay trial. Hoy, pagkilong siya. Yung mga badyaw, kasaba. Alternate. Naon sabi alternate sa ni? Kini mga sikupong palingkod sa
Lingkod mga bata daw. La, sa kinsa lugar sure ani
Okay.
mo apil.
pataas ang gapil, be. Pataas kamot gapil. Sige lang. Apil na isa kilong bukas usok. Really, otomangan. Dire. Pato, di mo makita, way lista.
Take me a picture of
Okay. Lista rin, katawa ko ng ngalan. Kisay maayo, ano yun? Tingko daw. Sige pa, kung wala pa akong mag-judge, tanawa na yung linya, tarong ba yung linya? Kanang wala inabot, ayaw lagi mo o lagi, dana gitumba na tanawa, ano na yung linya, ho? Kuha na. Wala inabot ang papel! Ayan na siya, ha? Napay tayo. Okay? Umalay? Good lang.